Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
India is a poor and unequal country. The top 1% hold about a quarter of the national income, that is about 22%, and the bottom 50%, the bottom half, hold about 13% of the national income. Inequality in India is a political choice and not an inevitability. These are the key pointers of the World Inequality Report 2022 released this week. The World Inequality Report released this week by the World Inequality Lab has several acclaimed economists as its authors and makes several pointers about the condition of inequality in our world today. It has revealed that India is one of the most unequal countries in the world. In fact, it states that the economy in India harbors extreme inequality, much like the countries of Brazil, Mexico, South Africa, Iran, among others. As per the report, the average national income of adults in India is about 2 lakh rupees. The bottom half earns about 53,000 rupees on an average, but the top 10% earn about 20 times more, nearing the 2 crore figure. The top 1% in India hold almost a quarter of the national income, which is about 22%, and the share of the bottom half has gone down to 13% in the last few years. Essentially, the report states that India stands out as a poor and unequal country with an affluent elite class. The report also categorizes historic inequality in India, and it states that it was the highest when India was under the British rule. Between 1858 to 1947, the top 10% in India had an income share of 50%. Post-independence, under Nehru's India, this share reduced to 35 to 40%. However, since the 1980s and especially since the economic reforms of 1991, inequality in India has risen extremely high. The report makes a point that inequality in India has only gone towards the extreme side of the spectrum. India has witnessed one of the most extreme inequality rise in the world. That's what the report says. It also makes the point that while the economic reforms have benefited the top 1% largely, the growth in the lower and middle income groups has been relatively slow and poverty continues to persist in deep pockets in India. The report also points towards large gender gaps between income equalities in India. It states that the female labor participation in India is close to about 18%, which is lower than the Asian average of 21%. In fact, this value is one of the lowest in the world. The sufficient increase observed since 1990 has indeed been insufficient to lift women's labor income share to the regional average. A pertinent point that the report makes is that inequality in India is not an inevitability but a political choice. This election season, as politicians fall back on the age-old party trick of promising money for votes, we question the agenda of Indian politicians to eradicate poverty and inequality in India.
It's great to see you here. Thank you for watching our work. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to Mojo Story and support independent, robust journalism.